অতীতকালে একটি কাজ চলমান থাকার সময় আরেকটি কাজ ঘটলে তাদের মধ্যে যেটি চলমান তা পাস্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউ টেন্স হয়, অপরটি পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হয়। এক্ষেত্রে দুইটি সেন্টেন্স সাধারণত বিফোর অথবা ওয়েন দ্বারা যুক্ত হয়। They had been gossiping for 2 hours. তারা 2 ঘন্টা ধরে গল্প করছিল। They had been gossiping for 2 hours. He had been playing football since morning. সে সকাল থেকে ফুটবল খেলছিল। He had been playing football since morning. I had been traveling for 2 weeks. আমি 2 সপ্তাহ ধরে ভ্রমণ করছিলাম। I had been traveling for 2 weeks. He had been helping the poor since 2019. সে 2019 সাল থেকে গরিবদের সাহায্য করছিল। He had been helping the poor since 2019. He had been playing cricket for 6 hours. সে 6 ঘন্টা যাবত ক্রিকেট খেলছিল। He had been playing cricket for 6 hours. I had been teaching for a long time. আমি দীর্ঘদিন ধরে শিক্ষকতা করছিলাম। I had been teaching for a long time. He had been transferring it since 2 days. 2 দিন থেকে তিনি এটি স্থানান্তর করছিলেন। He had been transferring it since 2 days. He had been reading this book from 2 days. তিনি এই বইটি 2টি দিন ধরে পড়ছিলেন। He had been reading this book from 2 days. He had been walking since morning. সে সকাল থেকে হাঁটছিল। He had been walking since morning. He had been debating for 3 hours. সে 3 ঘন্টা ধরে বিতর্ক করছিল। He had been debating for 3 hours. He had been swimming for 3 hours. সে 3 ঘন্টা ধরে সাঁতার কাটছিল। He had been swimming for 3 hours. They had been playing badminton since evening. তারা সন্ধ্যা থেকে ব্যাডমিন্টন খেলছিল। They had been playing badminton since evening. He had been playing the club since 2010. 2010 সাল থেকে তিনি ক্লাবটিতে খেলছিলেন। He had been playing the club since 2010. They had been playing tennis for 2 years. তারা 2 বছর যাবত টেনিস খেলছিল। They had been playing tennis for 2 years. He had been living here from his boyhood. শৈশবকাল থেকে তিনি এখানে থাকতেন। He had been living here from his boyhood. They had been providing these products since 6 years. তারা 6 বছর ধরে এই পণ্য সরবরাহ করছিল। They had been providing these products since 6 years. He had been working in a non-government organization since 2005. সে 2005 সাল থেকে একটি বেসরকারি সংস্থায় কাজ করছিল। He had been working in a non-government organization since 2005.